Want to take your Toyota 4Runner to the next level? Whether you're looking for easier access, rugged durability, or a sleek upgrade, the right running boards make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the best Toyota 4Runner running boards that offer style, strength, and serious convenience. Let's jump in. Kicking off our list at number 5, the AutoBull running boards bring both function and style to your Toyota 4Runner. Designed for models from 2010 to 2025, these boards feature a unique two-stair design, making entry and exit effortless, especially for kids and older passengers. But convenience isn't their only strength. Built from two-layer coated carbon steel, they're tough enough to handle rough weather and daily wear while also protecting your vehicle from scratches and dings. Plus, they don't just work great, they look great too. The sleek, modern design enhances your 4Runner's rugged appeal, giving it a clean, sturdy finish. And with an easy installation process, you'll be hitting the road with confidence in no time. If durability, accessibility, and style are what you're after, the AutoBull running boards deliver on all fronts. Coming in at number 4, the APS running boards are the perfect blend of strength, style, and safety for your Toyota 4Runner. Designed to fit 2010 to 2016 trail models, 2017 to 2024 TRD off-road, and 2014 to 2024 SR5, these boards offer superior rust and corrosion resistance, ensuring they stand the test of time. Their sleek, tapered design hugs the vehicle's body for a clean, classic look, while the 6-inch wide anti-slip tread provides a rock-solid grip in any weather. Whether it's kids, adults, or anyone needing a stable step, these running boards make getting in and out of your high-clearance SUV effortless. Built to handle up to 220 pounds without flex, they're as sturdy as they come. Installation is a breeze, and for the price, you're getting serious durability and performance. If you want reliable, stylish, and easy-to-install running boards, the APS running boards check every box. At number 3, the Tyger Auto running boards bring rugged durability with a sleek, all-terrain look for your Toyota 4Runner. Designed for 2010 to 2024 models, excluding limited, Nightshade, TRD Sport, and early SR5 trims, these boards feature a seamless, full-body E-coating with a heavy textured powder finish, delivering unbeatable resistance against dirt, water, and rust. Not only do they look bold and aggressive, but they're also built to last. Installation is super quick, under an hour for both sides, so you can upgrade your ride without the hassle. Sturdy, budget-friendly, and perfect for giving shorter passengers a secure step into your SUV. These running boards offer a strong, stylish, and practical upgrade without breaking the bank. If you want a hassle-free install with top-tier durability, the Tyger Auto running boards are a solid choice. Taking the number 2 spot, the TAC running boards are all about luxury, durability, and safety for your Toyota 4Runner. Designed specifically for the limited, 2010 to 2024, early SR5, 2010 to 2013, Nightshade Edition, 2019 to 2022, and TRD Sport, 2022 to 2024. These boards bring a premium touch to your SUV. The 5.5-inch wide corrugated rubber step pad runs the full length, providing a secure, slip-resistant surface for passengers of all ages. Framed with aircraft-grade extruded aluminum and marine-grade T304 stainless steel edges, these boards offer unmatched corrosion resistance and strength, ensuring long-term reliability. Installation is quick and drill-free, taking just 45 minutes with all hardware included. With a sleek polished finish that elevates your 4Runner's look, these running boards deliver on both style and function, at a price that makes them even more appealing. If you're after a luxurious upgrade with rock-solid durability, TAC running boards are a top-tier choice. And at number 1, the RealTruck running boards take the top spot for their perfect balance of style, function, and value. Designed for 2010 to 2024 Toyota 4Runners, these boards sit high and tight against the vehicle body, giving your SUV a sleek, modern edge with a premium textured black finish. But they're not just about looks. The expanded SureGrip drop-down steps at each door provide secure footing in any weather, making entry and exit effortless. Installation is fast and frustration-free, taking just 25 minutes with basic tools, thanks to the included mounting hardware and easy-to-follow instructions. If you want sturdy, great-looking steps that transform the presence of your 4Runner without breaking the bank, RealTruck running boards are the ultimate pick. They don't just enhance your ride, they redefine its attitude.